Imagine a world where money exists outside the control of banks and governments. A world where anyone can participate in a global financial system, secure and transparent. This is the vision for Bitcoin, a revolutionary technology championed by Michael Saylor, a name synonymous with Bitcoin itself. Welcome back to the House of Crypto Lords with another exciting video. In this video, we'll explore the captivating story of Michael Saylor and his journey from tech entrepreneur to Bitcoin supporter. We'll uncover his reasons for believing so passionately in Bitcoin, the strategies he has implemented, and the impact he had on the cryptocurrency landscape. Whether you're an expert investor or a curious newcomer, this video will equip you with a deeper understanding of Michael Saylor and the future of Bitcoin. Michael Saylor's early career and rise to prominence. Michael Saylor's journey began in Lincoln, Nebraska on February 4, 1965. The son of an Air Force Chief Master Sergeant, his early life revolved around Air Force bases across the country. Fueling his passion for technology and knowledge, Saylor enrolled at the prestigious Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, in 1983, thanks to an Air Force ROTC scholarship. His academic pursuits were ambitious, as he graduated in 1987 with a double major in aeronautics and astronautics, along with science, technology, and society. This diverse educational background set the stage for Saylor's future ventures that would bridge the gap between technology and innovation. MicroStrategy's founding and early success, 1988-1998. Leveraging his knowledge and fueled by entrepreneurial spirit, Saylor co-founded MicroStrategy in 1988. The company initially focused on business intelligence software, a field that was rapidly evolving alongside the rise of personal computers and the internet. Under Saylor's leadership, MicroStrategy became a leader in the field. His ability to identify market opportunities, build a talented team, and navigate the ever-changing tech landscape propelled the company to success. In 1992, MicroStrategy landed a significant contract with McDonald's to develop applications for analyzing the efficiency of their promotions. This win further cemented MicroStrategy's position in the business intelligence software market. The company went public in June 1998 with an initial stock offering of 4 million shares priced at $12 each, doubling in price on the first day of trading. MicroStrategy's bold move into Bitcoin. In 2020, Michael Saylor made a decision that sent shockwaves through the financial world. He began aggressively investing a significant portion of MicroStrategy's corporate reserve fund into Bitcoin. This was a bold move, a multi-billion-dollar bet on a technology still in its early stages of development. Many financial analysts and traditional investors viewed Bitcoin with mistrust, questioning its long-term viability. However, Saylor saw something others didn't. He recognized the potential of Bitcoin as a revolutionary financial instrument. He understood its core features, its limited supply, only 21 million coins will ever be created, and its decentralized nature that it can't be controlled by any single entity or government. These features, in Saylor's view, made Bitcoin a compelling alternative to traditional assets like gold. Gold has historically been a popular way to fight against inflation, but it comes with logistical challenges like secure storage and transportation. Bitcoin, on the other hand, offered a digital solution with a limited and verifiable supply. Bitcoin Billionaire Bet. Instead of keeping stacks of cash, he announced they might buy Bitcoin, which was supposed to be a hot new digital currency at that time. The very next month, they dove in, spending $250 million to grab 21,454 Bitcoin. MicroStrategy didn't stop there. They kept adding Bitcoin to their treasure chest, like a digital gold rush. September saw another $175 million purchase, followed by another $50 million in December. By December, they were so bullish on Bitcoin, they even borrowed $650 million to buy even more, reaching a total value of over $1 billion. That's right, by December 2020, they had snagged 70,470 Bitcoin at an average price of $15,164 each, a pretty good deal at the time. Fast forward to February 2021, and MicroStrategy's Bitcoin stash had grown to a whopping 90,531 for a total cost of $217 billion. Some folks scratched their heads, wondering if MicroStrategy was turning into a giant Bitcoin piggy bank. But Saylor, still at the helm, assured everyone they were still a regular company, just one that believed in the future of Bitcoin. Speaking of believing, Saylor himself revealed in October 2020 that he was a personal Bitcoin believer too. He owned a cool 17,732 Bitcoin and got them for a value at an average price of $9,882 each. By October 2021, he hadn't sold a single one, a true Bitcoin hodler. Hold on for dear life. MicroStrategy's investing strategy continued. Between October and November 2021, they scooped up another 7,002 Bitcoin, spending an average of $59,187 each, bringing their grand total to a staggering 121,044 Bitcoin. As of April 2023, their Bitcoin war chest has grown even bigger, reaching 140,000 Bitcoin at an average price of $29,803 each. But Bitcoin's not the only thing that changed for Saylor. In August 2022, he stepped down as CEO to focus all his energy on Bitcoin, a true believer to the core. Saylor's investment strategies and rationale. Saylor's unwavering belief in Bitcoin stems from several key factors. One of his primary concerns is inflation, the gradual decrease in the purchasing power of a currency over time. Traditional fiat currencies controlled by central banks are susceptible to inflation through practices like quantitative easing, where additional money is printed and injected into the economy. This can lead to rising prices and erode the value of savings held in traditional currencies. Bitcoin, with its limited supply, offers a potential hedge against inflation. Since only 21 million Bitcoins will ever be created, there's no risk of central banks manipulating its supply and causing inflation. This predictability and scarcity make Bitcoin an attractive option for investors seeking to protect their wealth in the long term. Another key factor in Saylor's belief system is the decentralized nature of Bitcoin. Unlike traditional currencies controlled by governments or banks, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network. Transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, accessible to anyone on the network. This transparency and lack of a central authority make Bitcoin resistant to manipulation or control by any single entity. The impact of Saylor on Bitcoin adoption. Michael Saylor's unwavering support for Bitcoin hasn't just impacted his own company, MicroStrategy. His high-profile endorsement and MicroStrategy's billion-dollar investment strategy have had a significant ripple effect across the entire cryptocurrency landscape. Here's how. Increased legitimacy. Prior to Saylor's move, Bitcoin was often viewed with suspicion by institutional investors. Many saw it as a volatile and unregulated asset class, unsuitable for serious investment. However, when a well-respected tech entrepreneur and CEO like Saylor publicly declared his faith in Bitcoin, it sent a powerful message. It signaled to other institutional investors that Bitcoin was a technology with potential, worthy of serious consideration. This shift in perception helped to legitimize Bitcoin in the eyes of mainstream finance. Mainstream adoption. With increased interest from institutional investors came a rise in mainstream adoption. News outlets began to cover Bitcoin more frequently, educating the public about its potential benefits and functionalities. Financial advisors started including Bitcoin as an option for their clients' investment portfolios. This broader awareness and acceptance fueled a surge in demand for Bitcoin, further driving up its price. Increased value. The combined effect of institutional investment and mainstream adoption has been a significant rise in the value of Bitcoin. Since Saylor began his Bitcoin buying spree in 2020, the price of Bitcoin has experienced tremendous growth. This not only benefits early investors like MicroStrategy, but also encourages others to enter the market, fueling a positive feedback loop. The future of Bitcoin, challenges and opportunities. Despite its growing popularity and the positive impact of figures like Michael Saylor, Bitcoin still faces several challenges that need to be addressed for widespread adoption. Security breaches. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin can also be a vulnerability. Cryptocurrency exchanges, where users buy and sell Bitcoin, have been targeted by hackers in the past. These breaches can result in significant losses for investors and reduce confidence in the overall security of the Bitcoin network. Strengthening cybersecurity measures and developing robust regulatory frameworks will be crucial for minimizing these risks. Price volatility. Bitcoin's price is known for its dramatic fluctuations. This volatility can be attractive to some investors seeking short-term gains, but it also creates uncertainty for those looking for a stable store of value. Finding ways to reduce price volatility will be essential for attracting more mainstream investors and businesses to the Bitcoin ecosystem. Regulation. The lack of clear regulations surrounding Bitcoin presents challenges for both users and businesses. Governments around the world are still grappling with how to regulate this new asset class. Uncertain regulations can create an environment of risk for businesses hesitant to enter the Bitcoin market. Developing clear and well-defined regulations will be crucial for fostering innovation and responsible growth in the cryptocurrency space. However, despite these challenges, Michael Saylor remains optimistic about the future of Bitcoin. He believes that with continued innovation and adaptation, fragmentation, Bitcoin can overcome these obstacles and become a widely accepted and secure financial instrument. Advancements in security protocols and ongoing development of the Bitcoin network offer hope for addressing some of the vulnerabilities mentioned earlier. Additionally, increased regulatory clarity could pave the way for broader institutional adoption, further solidifying Bitcoin's position in the global financial landscape. Other ventures. Michael Saylor's influence extends beyond Bitcoin. In 2012, he authored the book The Mobile Wave: How Mobile Intelligence Will Change Everything, which became a New York Times bestseller. This book explored the growing importance of mobile technology and its potential impact on various sectors. Additionally, in 1999, Saylor established Saylor Academy, formerly the Saylor Foundation, a nonprofit organization dedicated to providing free online education. This initiative reflects Saylor's commitment to knowledge sharing and empowering individuals through education. The story of Michael Saylor and Bitcoin is one of innovation, risk-taking, and the potential to disrupt the financial landscape. Whether you choose to invest or not, understanding Bitcoin and its potential impact is crucial in today's world. We encourage you to further explore this topic by visiting the resources listed in the video description below. Do you think Bitcoin has the potential to revolutionize finance? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's keep the conversation going.